Dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to create email ID by using your phone. Actually, email ID is really very important for us because through this email ID we can use Play Store, we can use YouTube or lots of application we can use through this email ID. So if you really want to create your email ID, then watch full video carefully. So before you starting the process, I will ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let us start. So for creating email ID you need to go to your Gmail application, and I hope Indiana your phone you must have Gmail application. So let me click on Gmail application, and after that you can see in here a profile icon. So let me click on it and then click here add another account, and after that click Google option and wait for a few seconds, and it will ask password if you have, but if you do not have then it will did not ask. So let me give mine. So you will see this kinds of interface, and you need to click here create account, and there is two option, one is personal use, another is for business. So I want to create personal. So let me click the first one for my personal use and to wait for a few seconds. Now you need to give your first name and surname, so let me give mine. Suppose Usman, and you can skip the surname, so let me click the next option. Then you need to give your day, month, and birth year, and I request you please give your birth year above 18. If you give your birth year below 18 then your email ID will be blocked. So let me give mine. So after giving that, choose your gender. I am male. So let me choose that one and then click here next option, and it will automatically give some email address in here. But if you don't like it then click here. Create your own Gmail address. Let me click on it and let me choose Osman2320235. Let me choose this one and let me click the next one, and it is already taken. So let me choose another one. Suppose I add another number and let me try. And you can see it is already available. So you need to give a strong password. I mean some numbers, some symbol and some letter. So let me give mine. So after giving your password, let me click here next option, and it will ask for your phone number for future security. And you can skip it if you do not want to give your phone number. But I request you just give your phone number and verify your number, because in the future if you forget your password, that time you can recover your email ID through this number. Right now I just do skip option and then click on next option, then scroll down, then click I agree, and your email address already created. So let me show you just to get back from here, and again go to Gmail application, then wait for a few seconds, again click here profile icon. Then in the bottom you can see I just created this email address right now, Usman. So let me tap on it and you will see some email come from Google. So through this easiest process you can create your email ID easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.